Okay. It's alright. It's alright. This is not the first time my thing is false. So I'm not scared.
Alright. God forbid I fall in the middle of the video. It's like my iPhone drops everything.
It's a wrap.
Yes.
Wait, it's a wrap. Then there's always insurance.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you everything I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, and that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts in
and then it's like da 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 da, and then that'd probably be a good thing to do.